Hello everyone.
Yes.
Welcome to the Icom exhibition booth. Today I'm gonna make a presentation of our most exciting new model. My name is Eri Shimazaki. I'm a ham. My call sign is Juliet Papa 3 Juliet Zulu Kilo, and gonna give you the world's very first information of IC705. First of all, I have to apologize to have kept you waiting so long. For those who love field operation from mountain summits or islands, no more waiting. Here comes the all-band, all-mode, completely new and unique portable radio, the IC705. It is finally going to be launched with innovative performance, functions, and the user interface that will revolutionize conventional portable radios. Now let's set out into the fields with IC705. So I'd like to begin by discussing some features of the IC705. It's an all-band, all-mode radio, including D-Star DB mode, covering the HF 6 meters, 2 meters, and 70 centimeters bands. The dimensions are 8.5 centimeters high, 20 centimeters wide, and 8 centimeters deep. It's fairly compact. Actually, I have another important new item to reveal for the first time. The LC192, an Icom original backpack designed only for the IC705. Of course, it's a perfect fit like this. You can attach an antenna smoothly like this. The good news is that this antenna for VHF or UHF comes with the radio so that you can start using it right away. Now, are you ready for a new experience? Let's get started. The weight of the IC705 is just 1 kilogram. This is very easy to carry even for ladies. There are some mock-up models right here, so you should definitely check them out by actually touching and holding it. For the power supply, you can use the BP272 lithium-ion battery pack, which is also can be used with the ID51 or ID31 series. This backpack also comes with a radio. With this battery, you can output 5 watts. Of course, you can use an external 13.8 DC volt battery too, enabling an 10 watts. In addition, the LC192 has holes where coaxial cable and microphone cable can go through. There are 2 holes. In the lower area, you can put some spare batteries or even if your outfits if you'd like. You can also put a water bottle or maybe a tripod for your camera into a side pocket. This supplied hand microphone has up-down keys that can change the operating frequency or audio volume, and it also has It also has 2 user-assignable keys that you can assign some of your favorite functions to. Moreover, the IC705 is compatible with Bluetooth and wireless LAN, so you can use the Icom VS3 Bluetooth headset if you have it. There will be a new remote control software application too that can be linked with the IC705. Probably in near future, okay? This radio has so much potential. Now, we are finally at the destination. Build an antenna and let's start the field operation. open the backpack and start a QSO. The leading technology that has been well received by many hams around the world is the RF direct sampling system. It is also utilized in the IC705 as well as the IC9610, IC7300 and IC9700. This digital expertise makes it possible to have a real-time spectrum scope and waterfall display comparable to an HF high-tier base station, even though the IC705 is fairly compact and light. With a conventional portable radio, you have to rotate the dial carefully, listen to the audio to check the band's condition. However, if you use the IC705 spectrum scope and a waterfall display, you can instantly grasp the band condition and select the most suitable operating band according to your situation. This high-speed real-time spectrum scope, equivalent to the IC7300 or IC9700, must drastically change your conventional field operation style. What makes it even better is the 4.3-inch color display. Even though this is a portable radio, the display size is the same as the IC7300 and IC9700. Needless to say, you can tune the radio to the desired frequency or change setting with a simple touch. Portable radio have always been difficult to operate because of their tiny dials or keys, but you are now free from those irritations. The IC705, which has the high-speed real-time spectrum scope and the 4.3-inch color display, enables you to comfortably operate as if you are in a ham shack at your home. You might forget that you're in the field. So, what do you think so far? Good? Good, thank you. We are very sure that your field operation will be more efficient and much more fun. Now we are home. Let's review today's operation. The IC705 has a micro SD card slot. With the SD card, you can record TX voice memories, save screen captures, or store your favorite settings into the card. Also, your QSO can be recorded into the card so you can listen to it later. Furthermore, a GPS receiver is built into the IC705 so the GPS data can be saved, and then you can check the route you've walked today on your PC's map. Now, when you want to talk with your field operation with your ham friends, now it's time to use D-Star. The IC705 incorporates the D-Star DB mode, so you can talk with your ham friends with clear audio. Not only the DR function, but also the terminal mode and access point mode are built in. The IC705's comprehensive D-Star functions makes the radio more attractive. Additionally, a USB terminal or a SAND ALC terminal for linear amplifier and a tuner terminal are also built in. This radio is truly excellent in extendability. The IC705 is specialized for field operation, but this feature-rich radio can also sufficiently be used as a base station. It can be the first rig for beginner hams, but at the same time, this can also be the second rig for experienced hams. Now, to conclude this presentation, I'd like to say that for those who love field operation, the IC705 is the best radio ever. With the innovative performance, functions, and a user interface, you can upgrade your conventional field operation. Now, for those who haven't started field operation, what do you think so far? Do you think you would start setting out to the field? I really hope you do. This is my end of my presentation. Thank you all for your attention. Thank you. Thank you.